Hello everyone and welcome back to Ways to Learn English. My name is Alex and I'm really happy you're here today.
Hi everyone, my name is Lena and I'm learning English with you.
This podcast is for people who want to improve their English by listening to real, natural conversations. No pressure, no stress, just calm, friendly English you can enjoy.
And remember, you don't need to understand every word, just relax and listen. Your brain is learning while you listen.
That's right. Today's topic is something we all experience every day. We're going to talk about feelings and mood in simple English.
I like this topic. Sometimes I want to explain how I feel, but I only know a few words like happy or sad.
That's very common. Many learners know the basic feeling words, but there are many gentle, natural ways to describe how you feel. Today, we'll practice some of them together. First, let's listen to a short, natural conversation. Just listen and relax. Hey Lena, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling okay, not great, not bad, just a little tired.
That's understandable. It's been a long day. Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I went to bed late, so I feel a bit low on energy today.
I know that feeling. When I don't sleep well, my mood is lower the next day. Are you feeling stressed or just tired?
Mostly just tired. A little stressed maybe, but nothing serious.
That's good to hear. Sometimes it helps just to say how you feel out loud.
Yes, it does. It makes me feel lighter.
Okay, now let's look at some of the useful words and phrases we used.
I said, I'm feeling okay. That means I'm fine, right?
Yes, I'm feeling okay means you are fine, but not amazing. It's a very natural, honest answer.
You asked if I slept well.
Right. To sleep well means to have good sleep. You can say, I slept well last night, or I didn't sleep well last night.
I also said I feel low on energy.
That's a great phrase. Low on energy means you feel tired and don't have much strength or motivation. It's a polite, natural way to say you are tired.
You asked if I was stressed.
Yes. Stressed means you feel worried, pressured, or tense because of work, life, or responsibilities. It's a very common word in daily English.
And you said, I know that feeling.
Exactly. That's a phrase we use to show empathy. It means, I understand how you feel because I've felt the same way. Now let's practice saying some of these phrases together. Say them out loud if you can. I'll say the phrase first, and Lena will repeat it.
Okay.
I'm feeling okay.
I'm feeling okay.
I didn't sleep well last night.
I didn't sleep well last night.
I'm low on energy today.
I'm low on energy today.
I'm feeling a little stressed.
I'm feeling a little stressed.
I know that feeling.
I know that feeling.
Great job. These are very natural phrases that native speakers use all the time. Now, let's look at a few more simple ways to talk about how you feel.
Sometimes I don't want to say sad because it feels too strong.
That's a great observation. English has many soft, gentle words for feelings. For example, instead of sad, you can say, I'm feeling a bit down. I'm feeling a little low. These sound softer and more natural.
What about when you feel happy, but not super excited?
Good question. You can say, I'm feeling pretty good, or I'm in a good mood today.
That feels easy to say.
Yes. You can also talk about your mood changing. For example, I was tired this morning, but I feel better now. This is very natural English. Let's listen to another short conversation. This time, imagine two friends meeting after work. Hey Lena, You look a little tired today. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm a bit exhausted. It was a long day and I had a lot to do.
That sounds tough. Do you feel stressed or just tired?
Mostly tired, but I feel better now that the day is over.
That's good. Sometimes just knowing the day is finished can make you feel lighter.
Yes, exactly. Now, I just want to go home and relax.
That sounds like a good plan. How do you usually relax after a long day?
I like to listen to music or take a short walk. It helps me calm down.
That's a great way to take care of your mood. Let's imagine you're talking to a friend or coworker. Here are some very simple, natural sentences you can use. I'm feeling okay today. I'm a little tired. I'm in a good mood. I'm not feeling great today. I feel better now.
These sentences are short, but they say a lot.
Exactly. Short sentences are powerful. You don't need big words to express how you feel. Let's take a short pause. Think about how you feel right now.
Are you feeling calm? Tired? Okay? Or maybe in a good mood?
Try to say one sentence in your head. For example, I'm feeling okay right now. Or, I'm a little tired, but I'm okay. Remember, you don't need to memorize everything. Just listen again and again. Your brain will start to recognize these phrases.
Sometimes I listen while I'm cooking, and I catch new words each time.
That's perfect. Passive listening is powerful. Even when you're not studying, you're still learning. Here's a small challenge for you this week. Try to describe how you feel one time in English each day.
It can be very simple. For example, I'm feeling good today, or I'm a little tired.
Yes, you can say it out loud to yourself. Or you can write it down. The goal is just to practice.
Small practice feels easier to keep.
Exactly. Small habits are easier to build and easier to continue. Let's listen to another short conversation about feelings and mood. Just relax and listen again. Lena, how are you feeling this evening?
I'm feeling a bit better than this morning. I was tired earlier, but now I feel more relaxed.
That's good to hear. Did something help you feel better?
Yes, I took a short walk outside and listened to some music. It helped me clear my mind.
That sounds really nice. Sometimes small things can change our mood.
Yes, even a short break can help a lot.
That's very true. When I feel stressed, I like to take a few deep breaths or drink some water.
I like that idea. It's simple and easy to do anywhere.
Exactly. You don't need anything special to take care of your mood. Let's look at a few more simple phrases you can use to talk about your feelings.
Okay.
Instead of only saying happy, you can say, I feel calm, I feel relaxed, I feel okay now.
Those feel very natural. They're not too strong.
Yes, and when you're not feeling great, you can say, I'm feeling a bit off today. I'm not in the best mood. I'm feeling overwhelmed.
What does overwhelmed mean?
Good question. Overwhelmed means you feel like there is too much to do or think about. You may feel stressed or tired in your mind.
Oh, I feel overwhelmed sometimes with work and study.
That's very normal. And it's okay to say it in simple English. Now let's practice longer answers. I'll ask Lena a question, and she'll answer with a full sentence. You can pause and answer too. Lena, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a little tired today, but I'm okay.
Great. Now you try to answer out loud. Here's another one. How did you feel yesterday?
Yesterday, I felt more energetic because I slept well.
Nice sentence. You can also say, yesterday I felt a bit stressed, but today I feel better.
That helps me connect yesterday and today.
Exactly. Talking about your feelings over time is very natural in English.
Sometimes I don't know how honest I should be about my feelings.
That's a great point. You don't need to share everything. You can keep it simple and polite.
Like saying, I'm okay, just a little tired.
Yes, that's perfect. It's honest, but not too personal.
What if someone asks, "Are you okay?" but I don't want to explain?
You can say, "I'm okay, thanks for asking." Or, "I'm just a bit tired, but I'll be fine."
That feels safe and comfortable.
Exactly. Simple English is powerful. Here's a small listening tip for you. When you listen to this episode again, try to notice how we talk about feelings in soft ways.
Not just happy or sad, but gentle words.
Yes, your ears will slowly learn these patterns. You don't need to force it.
Sometimes I feel like I'm not learning fast enough.
That's very normal. Learning a language is slow and gentle, but every time you listen, your brain is improving.
That makes me feel more relaxed about learning.
Good. Relaxed learning works better than stressed learning. Here's another small challenge if you want to try it. When you feel a strong emotion this week, pause and name it in English.
For example, I feel calm. I feel nervous. I feel proud.
Yes, exactly. Just naming your feeling is a powerful practice.
Even saying it in your head helps.
It really does. And that brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you for listening to episode 4 of Ways to Learn English.
We're really happy you're here with us.
In the next episode, we'll talk about simple English for talking about your plans and future. And that brings us to the end of today's episode.
So stay with us, keep listening, and keep practicing.
Remember,
You can learn English.
one conversation at a time. See you in the next episode, and feel free to listen to our earlier episodes too.
And don't forget to subscribe.